And good afternoon. This is meteorologist Eric Tallman. So glad to have you join me on this very, very hot, sticky day. I can tell you that right now because I was out in Grosse Pointe Farms today, and it was very, very hot out in downtown Detroit as well. I was out in the metro area today, had some errands I had to run, and I'm finally back. And I will be here for the next couple of days, and then I'll be on vacation for a while as we pack things up, ready to go. That's going to be the other announcement that I have to make. Prior to that, we'll talk about that later on. The temperature right now is actually 88 degrees with partly cloudy skies with sun around the metro area. A lot of people have been saying it's been very hot and sticky out, and it is very, very hot outside, I can tell you that. Humidity right now is 46% right now. That's actually low, but actually that humidity is going to climb up as of tomorrow, so you're really going to feel that. The wind speed right now is actually 7 miles coming from the southwest right now. Barometer is 30.01 inches right now. Dew point temperature is 64. Visibility is at 10 miles right now, and we have a heat index of 90 degrees. So you factor in the dew point temperature and the heat index, and it does make it feel like it's a lot hotter than what it is right now, which is 88 degrees. So it all depends on where you're at. Some people say it feels more like 90 some degrees. I believe it. So for the rest of this afternoon, the temperature is going to go all the way up to 90 degrees today for a high. So make sure that you keep yourself dehydrated. Drink a lot of water today. You're going to need that. Be especially careful if you're going to be outdoors today, because it's going to be so hot outside. Make sure you have a hat or something to cover your head up with so you're not exposed to the sun so much, and wear sunglasses as well. You're going to need that as well. And if you're going to be on the beach, make sure you've got the sunglasses, the suntan lotion, and all that good stuff, because you're going to need that too. And then for a low tonight is going to be 66 degrees, mostly clear skies tonight. And then for Wednesday, mostly sunny skies, and then a chance of storms coming in. 40% chance. We'll be watching for those thunderstorms that are way over in the Midwest. We'll talk about that coming up in a couple of minutes. 40% chance for storms tomorrow, and then for Wednesday, we have a 30% chance of seeing some thunderstorms in here. We might get isolated severe storm that may reach severe limits. We'll be watching for that. So it's going to be isolated if we do get that. And then partly cloudy skies with a low of 65 degrees for Wednesday night. Wednesday, we just talked about Wednesday night. I mean Thursday. Thursday, 85 degrees and sunny skies outside. And then Thursday, mostly clear skies with the low of 63 degrees. And then we get into Friday and we go right back up again, and it is going to be 86 degrees, the high. And then we go for a low of, let me see if I can move it over, 66 the low for Friday night. And then for the weekend, which is Saturday, we are going to go back into the upper mid-80s, and it's going to be 85 degrees on Saturday. So I'm not quite sure how long the summer pattern is going to stick around, but I'm going to go ahead and stroll down and see what we're looking at. And by the time we get into Monday, after this coming weekend, and we get into Monday, we're back at it again at 82 degrees. We're going to start off the next week. I believe that's going to be the first week of August. And we'll have showers and thunderstorms, a chance of showers and storms that are going to be rolling in the area on Sunday. So we'll be looking for that. So maybe a little bit of a cool down, but not as of tomorrow. It's going to be even hotter tomorrow. And we're just starting to get in the feel of it. So we're going to be dealing with another hot and sticky day again. So make sure that you drink a lot of fluids and keep yourself dehydrated. So if you don't have to be out in that sun or exposed to the sun, be very careful. Check up on your loved ones, your family members, people that you know, your animals, your dogs, that type of thing. Kind of keep an eye on that one especially. And people that have asthma, respiratory problems should not be out in this kind of weather. We'll talk about some safety tips on that. So if you have asthma or you have a breathing problem, this is not the kind of weather that you should be in. It's very difficult to actually breathe, especially if there's not really a breeze out there. So you want to kind of take it easy out there. We'll have much more coming up, but we'll show you what's going on in the radar right now. And we'll have more coming up in just a little bit, since that this is the 3 o'clock hour. We're just starting the day. Since that I'm late, I'm doing the afternoon, evening shift tonight instead of the morning. So you missed me at 7:30. Anyway, this is what's happening right now. We have showers and thunderstorms that are moving across the Midwest, but as they do, they intend to break up a little bit as they move across the state. So we might see a shower or thunderstorm move in here. But I think at this point it's at 40%, so I'll kind of keep an eye on that. Nothing big to be concerned about, but the chance for showers and storms are still in the forecast, so we'll kind of keep an eye on that. But nothing severe at this point, so that's actually a good thing. But if we do get the severe weather, hopefully it will bring down that the humidity. That's all I gotta say. The humidity, the heat index, and all that stuff. We could use a break from it. Yeah, we could. That's only if we could get that high pressure out of there. Yep. And we have a report that just came up from the weather office. We will have the hazardous outlook report coming up when I return in just a couple of minutes. That just happened to pop up on the computer there. We'll find out what that is, and we'll let you know coming up. Stay tuned. We'll be right back with that report for Southeast Michigan.